So hey guys, this week my meal prep is going to be just vegetarian. My best friend is doing a vegan month for the month of October, so I am going to be joining her on that challenge. So this week I am going to be making salads and I'm going to just be making veggies. So I will walk you through what I will be eating this week. All right, stay tuned. So to my lentils, I am going to be adding 2 stalks of celery and some thyme and 2 tomatoes and about 1 onion and about half a bell pepper. Also added a spoon of minced garlic and 2 scallions, maybe about 4 or 5 pimento seeds, a little bit of turmeric and cumin, and I'm gonna add about 4 cups of vegetable broth and about 1 cup of coconut milk. It's 2.5 cups of lentils. I'm also gonna add some chili powder because for some reason I kind of want it to be a little spicy. So that's what I'm going for today. We'll see how it turns out. Leave it on the slow cooker setting for 2 hours and then I will check it about halfway through. For my vegetables, I'm gonna be using this toasted onion and garlic potato mix. It's not exactly vegan. I think it contains milk. But I'm going to be following the directions on the package. So you toss everything in oil and then sprinkle this mixture and then you bake it in the oven for 25 minutes. And I have in here half of a red onion, 2 8-ounce packages of Portobello Mushrooms, a crown of broccoli, and 4 carrots is what I'm going to be roasting. So I've put the veggies on my parchment paper lined pan. I'm assuming foil would work just as well. And then we're gonna put it in the oven on 400 for 25 minutes. I'll be making some roasted chickpeas to use in my salad. And I'm just gonna be seasoning it with salt, smoked paprika, black pepper, and garlic powder. And then I am going to add a little bit of oil to it and roast them in the oven on the same 400 for maybe about 20 minutes and see how they come out. So this is the pot I'm going to be making my mustard greens in. I have some garlic, 2 tomatoes, bell pepper, and onion in here. And I'm going to saute this up. And then I'm going to add my mustard greens and a cup of vegetable broth. So now we've added our greens to the pot and 1 cup of vegetable broth. And then we're gonna cover it and let it simmer on low. So this is what our roasted veggies looks like, fresh out of the oven. So we're gonna let it cool and then we'll figure out what we're gonna be putting it with as a side. Probably the lentils. Okay, so I'm checking on the lentils now and it really does smell. You can really smell the chili powder in here. I did go ahead and add a little piece of garlic just because I like garlic. And it's simmering pretty good, so I'm gonna go ahead and close it back up. I think I have more than an hour left on it, so I don't like for my lentils to be too soupy, so I'll check it maybe in another 30 minutes and make sure it's not like burning. But you can see there's just a little bit of water in there, a little bit of liquid. All right, so in no time the mustard greens have shrunk down to next to nothing. It's supposed to be like 5 servings. I've tasted it and it doesn't seem to be like very flavorful, so I think I'm gonna put a little bit of Sazon complete in here to kind of give it a little kick, or maybe like some Cajun seasoning. So the roasted chickpeas are done. It looks like such a tiny amount, but it's supposed to be 3.5 servings, which is cool because I made like 3 salads. So I'm gonna put the chickpeas, I'm gonna cut up these baby cucumbers, and some tomatoes and red onion to put on the salad, and I'm gonna put avocado with it and vinaigrette. So okay. I've gone ahead and prepped my roasted chickpeas and my salad. So my salad has the roasted chickpeas, red onions, cucumbers, tomatoes, and romaine lettuce. And on the day that I eat the salad, I'll be adding an avocado to it and some balsamic vinaigrette dressing. And I will go ahead and check on the lentils. So my lentils are done. And this is perfect because I don't like for my lentils to be too soupy. So it was 3 cups of vegetable broth and about 1 cup of coconut milk, some chili powder, some turmeric, some cumin, and all the other veggies. But it looks pretty good and it smells great. You can really smell the chili powder. My greens are also finished. They've shrunk down to pretty much nothing. But so we'll get ready to start packaging it out. I also had like 1 random Boniato root. So I boiled it and I'll put it in with, I don't know, I'll pack it with something. So here's the end result of my meal prep. I have a total of 11 meals, which is good because I can eat 1 today for dinner. And a little heavy on the lentils this week. So probably no lentils next week. But at least I don't have any leftovers. So I have my 3 salads. I have my lentils and roasted vegetables. I have my Boniato root and mustard greens and lentils. And hopefully I can stick to just eating the stuff I've prepared this week. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. And I almost forgot to show you my fruit prep. So I have strawberries, blueberries, oranges, and bananas this week, as well as these individual package of cashews. So I have these as well as part of my meal prep for this week. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.